He's gonna go through it.
Five people in the back seat. Do it.
You did it, Mom. You're the happiest.
He's a hard camper.
He's one of the kids we're doing the fundraisers for.
It's him and my sister lined him. They're the hard campers. They're the only two that showed up.
Don't worry about it.
That's why Evan was able to do it at Waterworks. That one. He's gone. He's out.
No, he's gone.
Barely.
Like just barely.
He's the role. Did he do it? Just go back up. He's all of them.
Hey, keeping track of who's going through. Just make it to.
Yeah, this is a new one.
This is the new one. Okay.
You did it.
I think it's that got out. He just parked his car.
Zach's in the trunk.
I know, but is his car out?
Yeah.
He's the guy. Back. You get it? You know what? I'm gonna laugh at Scirocco wins.